Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers, baby. Alright, so I just get back from the grocery store, emptying all the bags and shit. I'm gonna show you what I got. It's been a while since I've done this. Be looking out for more because the bulk is gonna start in September. I believe September 15th is gonna be my official starting date, and I want to bulk all the way to my next birthday. My birthday is March 31st. For those of you who want to give me some gifts, just joking, but seriously, my birthday is March 31st, and that's when I'll probably start cutting and you know, start preparing for a natural bodybuilding show, so I can get that Natural Pro card. Chris Jones, Chris Beast Mode Jones, Natural Pro, online personal trainer, you know, businessman, owner of Pump Chasers. Don't it just sounds beautiful? Personal trainer, entrepreneur, Natural Pro. That sounds beautiful, man. Alright guys, so as you may or may not know, I'm not cutting or bulking. I'm just keeping myself in decent shape. I only cut when I have to. I cannot stress that enough. Let me fucking explain for my shit right here. Let me explain. Okay? I'm not a motherfucking fitness model. I don't get paid to take pictures shirtless or no shit like that. Nobody pays me to promote their brands. I'm just a personal trainer. With that said, you know, I like to enjoy my life. I don't like to eat a certain way year round or track every single thing I eat or do a lot of cardio year round. I like to keep myself in decent shape like I am right now. And let's say I got a trip coming up. Perfect example, summer shredding weekend. I knew I was gonna be in Houston, going to Christian's show. A few people might recognize me. I wanted to look good. So 2 weeks out, you know, which is all it takes for me when you keep yourself in shape. 2 weeks out, I cut my carbs, started doing cardio every day. I went down to Houston looking good, right? Perfect example. Let's say I'm getting ready to go to like the LA Fit Expo in January. 2 weeks out, I cut my carbs down, did my cardio, I went to LA looking good. You get the drift. Right now, I'll keep myself in decent shape, right? And if I have to go somewhere, let's say in 2 weeks, I'll just cut my carbs and get in shape. I don't see the point of doing cardio every fucking day, tracking my macros every day, just to achieve a look that I can achieve in 2 weeks. You know, just keeping now, if I get myself 200 plus pounds, obviously, it would take me much longer than 2 weeks to get myself in shape, which is why I just keep myself in decent shape. This is my decent look. I keep myself in decent shape, and if I gotta do some pictures or a photo shoot for Pump Chasers, or I got a trip coming up or an expo, it's all it takes is 2 weeks. So right now I'm just maintaining, but bulk starting soon. All right, so a good way to keep yourself in good shape is don't overindulge on the carbs. Get you some vegetables in, get you some salads in. You feel me? This is a good way to get a shitload of food with very little calories. Like, let me show you this right here. This whole thing right here is about 12 grams of carbs. But if you were to fill this up with white rice, it'll be damn near 1,000 carbs, man. You feel me? Tomatoes, lots of food, but very little carbs. Look at this. This whole bag of salad is probably only like 5 grams of carbs, maybe 10 at the most. Mushrooms, very low in carbs, you know, so you want to keep yourself lean. Don't overindulge in the carbs. Get you some food that gives you a lot of volume, but very little carbs. And of course, I eat carbs as well, just not a whole lot, all right? Fiber. If you guys are dieting or you just have a hard time, you know, staying regular, if you know what I mean. So every morning I wake up, I take my vitamins, and I do 5 grams of fiber. When I'm cutting and I'm doing very low carbs, like I told you, when I get ready for events or appearances, I cut my carbs down, do cardio. I do 5 grams in the morning, 5 grams a night, and I eat a lot of beans. I instead of doing rice cakes and oatmeal and shit like that, I have beans for my carb source. That way I'm getting a fuckload of fiber. All right. So we got the salad and veggies. I got lean meat. I make burger bowls. Guys, go to the very link at the very bottom of the description if you want to know how to make my burger bowl. All right, I'm about to have me a burger bowl right now, actually. I got these drinks right here. I was watching one of these guys on YouTube, and he swears these are delicious. So I took his word for it, and I'm going to give him a try. Matter of fact, I'm going to try one before this video is over, just to let you know what I think. They don't sweeten this shit with saccharin and aspartame and all that shit. They use natural ingredients. They use stevia. So we'll see, man. We'll see how this shit tastes. Got my rice cakes, one of my favorite go-to carb sources. I love rice cakes. White cheddar and plain. All right. Got a sweet tooth. You want a soda? Get that zero sugar Sprite, man. Throw a little bit of Ciroc on that shit. You know, for the weekend. You know what I'm talking about. Cut a rug, baby. Got that Gatorade. You already know about that Power Up drink. If you don't know how to make the Power Up drink, go to my Instagram at Beast Mode Jones. Go to my IGTV. It shows you how to make this shit on my Instagram. All right? Got the seasonings. You know, the salt-free Mrs. Dash. Let me focus that for you, man. That salt-free Mrs. Dash. I keep that shit on deck. I was getting me some more sugar-free barbecue sauce, and I saw that they got sugar-free honey mustard. Let me focus that for y'all real quick. Alright. See? It's by Hughes. Alright, G Hughes, sugar-free honey mustard, sugar-free ketchup. I never tried this shit, but I'm gonna try it soon, and I'll be sure to let you guys know in a vlog how I like it. Alright? Or maybe I'll just do a taste review video. Just stay tuned, guys. I never tried this before, so I can't tell you if I like it or not, but I love this. Alright? I got tunas. Just like I make burger bowls, I make tuna bowls, and I will do a video for you very soon. Almost forgot to mention two things. This right here is like Crystal Light. You feel me? Let me open this for you real quick. See? You just take one of these, get you a water bottle, empty it, shake the bottle, tastes delicious. And some tortillas. I can make a little breakfast burrito, get some egg whites and turkey sausage and shit like that. Get you one of these tortillas right here. Check it out. Look at the macros on there, man. Only 17 grams of carbs, and you get 9 grams of fiber. These are sourdough, low-carb deli-style wraps. You can get them at Walmart by a company called Tomatoes. Yeah, your boy working on his Spanish, you feel me? I'm getting ready to go to Cancun with Denise soon. Gotta brush up on my bilingual Jones, you feel me? And that's it, man. That's what I got for the day. Be looking out for more grocery videos. I want to give y'all a quick video real quick, show you what I'm up to. Let me taste this drink real quick. I'm gonna try the watermelon one, man. Let's see what this shit tastes like. Here we go. Damn, hold on, look at the forms. I don't know if y'all got to tell, I've been hitting forms like a motherfucker lately. All right, let's see. I'm not gonna lie, it's all right. It ain't nothing to go crazy over. I'd much rather have a Diet Coke or a Diet Sprite or something. Those are much more sweeter than this. This is not that sweet. It has some sweetness to it, but it's not. You know what I mean. It's not powerful. So as you see, got that burger bowl, and we got them rice cakes. Come on, baby. We got that water right there. I ain't fucking around. Off to the gym pretty soon.